Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm you Viprajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new updates on the 2021 Hyundai Verna in terms of variants, powertrains and features. After the feature updates on the new Hyundai Creta, Hyundai India has also introduced some feature updates on the Hyundai Verna. First, let's talk about the changes regarding the variants. The 2021 updated Hyundai Verna is now available in 4 variants, namely the E, S+, SX and the SX optional. The previously available S variant, which was available only with the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine, has now been discontinued, and the S Plus variant, which was previously available only with the diesel engine, is now also available with the 1.5-litre petrol engine. In terms of features, all variants except for the entry-level E variant gets an 8-inch touchscreen system on the Hyundai Verna, with only the top-spec SX optional variant getting an 8-inch AVN unit with HD display and Bluelink connectivity. Now with this 2021 update, the S Plus and SX variants 8-inch touchscreen system now gets wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, as this very same feature along with the touchscreen system is exactly the same unit seen on the Hyundai i20 Sports variant. However, the top-spec SX optional variant's HD touchscreen system does not get wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. On the other hand, the entry-level E variant still does not get a factory-fit audio system. Just like before, the mid-spec S Plus variant carries forward all the other features including dual airbags, ABS, EBD, dual-tone stylized steel wheels, manual AC, Alchemist sound system, rear AC vents and a cooled glove box. Similarly, just like before, the SX variant offers wireless phone charging, cruise control, projector headlamps, automatic headlamps, alloy wheels, electric sunroof, auto-dimming rear-view mirror and a rear-view camera. All variants except for the entry-level E variant gets 16-inch wheels as standard, with only the SX and SX optional variants getting 16-inch alloy wheels. In terms of powertrains, the 2021 Hyundai Verna offers a 1.5-litre MPI petrol engine producing 115 horsepower through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT gearbox. This petrol engine is available from the entry-level E variant onwards all the way to the SX optional. However, the CVT automatic transmission is available only with the SX and SX optional top-spec variants. The 1.5-litre turbo diesel engine, on the other hand, is available only with the S Plus, SX and SX optional variants, with only the SX and SX optional variants getting a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. Apart from these engine options, just like before, the Hyundai Verna SX optional turbo variant is available with a 1-litre 3-cylinder GDI turbo petrol engine producing 120 horsepower through only a 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. Summing up the complete price range of the Hyundai Verna, the 1.5-litre petrol engine is available from the entry-level E variant itself and starts from Rs 9.19 lakh ex-showroom, while the top-spec SX optional petrol manual variant is available for Rs 12.84 lakh ex-showroom. The SX CVT variant is available for Rs 12.19 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the SX optional CVT variant is available for Rs 14.09 lakh ex-showroom. The 1-litre turbo petrol engine equipped Hyundai Verna SX optional turbo variant is available for Rs 14.14 lakh ex-showroom. The 1.5-litre diesel range, on the other hand, starts from the S Plus mid-spec variant, which is available for Rs 10.81 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 14.10 lakh ex-showroom for the SX optional diesel manual variant. The 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission equipped SX diesel variant is available for Rs 13.35 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the top-spec SX optional diesel automatic variant is available for Rs 15.25 lakh ex-showroom. At these prices, the Hyundai Verna's mid-spec S Plus and SX variants now offer some more technological features which are not available on the top-spec SX optional variant itself, making the S Plus and SX variants more value for money than before. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about these updates on the Hyundai Verna midsize sedan. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.